Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Cook with Mrs. Umami. In this video, I'm going to make fig jam. Let's get started. Heat up some fresh figs at medium heat. When the texture is soft, crush the figs. Add some water to the saucepan. Some cane sugar. Muscovado sugar. Lemon juice from 2 lemons. Lemon zest from 2 lemons. Mix them well and turn off the heat. If you don't like the lumpy texture, transfer into a food blender to make it smooth as desired. This is the price list of all my ingredients. So, this fig jam cost me $1.50. I'm going to make my sandwich with the fig jam. Thanks for watching my video.